Hey, Mallory DeVoe here. I've got your June market update. So we're going to talk about that, and then afterwards we're going to talk about the housing market a bit, but let's jump right into the statistics for the month. So here they are for Ottawa. As you can see, the average sales price and active listings are up. So residential homes are up 26% from last year, and condos are up 21% from last year. Overall, we are sitting slightly higher than the 5-year average for total units sold. So total units sold in June, 5-year average was 2,098, and this year we're at 2,131. However, there has been a slight leveling out of the prices. If you look at the last 2 to 3 months, you can see that each month we had our average sales prices drop just a little bit. So take a look here and you can see that. As you can see, the average sales price peaked in March, and since then it's been dipping just a little bit each month. Also, you can see that the properties in June didn't move quite as fast as they did the previous months. So some of this is because of inventory. When there's more choices, there's less movement when it comes to time frame and pricing. And according to the Ontario Real Estate Board President, Deborah Wright, she said that the June resales market was actually performing similar to previous pre-pandemic June markets, because that loss of activity is actually normal due to families and taking a look at, like those families taking a look at the end of the school year and looking at vacations coming up in the summer. Taking a step back and looking at the average sales activity nationally, Canada still has an inventory shortage. Before COVID-19, the number of active listings was actually at a 14-year low for Canada. Adding on to the already low inventory, COVID has only increased the demand that we've seen over the past few years. And that demand has been fueled by international immigration, low interest rates, and an increasingly middle-aged millennial cohort. According to the Canadian Real Estate Association, the current trends and outlook suggest that the activity is going to remain strong throughout 2021 with record sales, even though we had the slowdown that began in April. And with time, that activity is going to continue leveling off towards more typical levels, and we expect to see 2022 have significantly fewer sales. And this is because the high prices and the low inventory are going to kind of tap the brakes. Interestingly enough, BC and Ontario are forecast to have the largest sales decline. Keep note of that and keep coming back so I can tell you what else comes up. All right, that's all I've got for you today. But if you want to talk more about the market, feel free to contact me. And if you want more information about real estate, whether it's tips and tricks or otherwise, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Mallory DeVoe. And other than that, until next time, hope you have a great day and see you later.